Apple just dropped a surprise iOS 26.5 beta. Developers woke up to a revised build today. This is not a minor patch update. Something changed behind the scenes at Apple, and it could impact every iPhone user soon. Let's break it down fast and precisely. New beta build replaces the original release. That signals bug fixes or critical adjustments, possibly stability issues in the first rollout. Apple rarely revises betas this quickly, so attention from developers is extremely high. This update demands a closer technical look. Core system performance appears more optimized. Animations feel tighter and more responsive overall. Background processes show improved efficiency metrics. Battery performance tweaks are quietly included here. Early testers report longer standby and screen time. That suggests refined power management algorithms. Security patches are likely embedded in this build. Apple continues strengthening system-level protections aggressively, especially against emerging zero-day vulnerabilities. API changes may affect third-party app behavior. Developers need to retest compatibility immediately. Small changes can break major app functions fast. Network handling improvements are also being observed. Faster switching between Wi-Fi and cellular connections. Reduced latency in real-world usage scenarios. Thermal management looks slightly improved under heavy loads. Less overheating during gaming and rendering tasks reported. That points to deeper system-level tuning by Apple. This beta also hints at future feature rollouts. Hidden code often reveals upcoming Apple priorities. AI-driven enhancements could be quietly in development. Why does this matter for everyday users? Because stability defines your entire iPhone experience, and these updates shape future public releases directly. For developers, this is a critical checkpoint. Apps must align with Apple's evolving system architecture, or risk crashes, bugs, and performance issues. For professionals, this signals Apple's direction forward. Efficiency, security, and AI integration are clearly priorities. Every update reinforces that long-term strategy. For beginners, this means a smoother iPhone soon. Better battery, fewer bugs, stronger security protections. All without needing to understand the complexity underneath. This revised beta is more than a fix. It's a signal of deeper refinement happening now. And Apple is moving fast behind closed doors.